Hi, in this video I'll show you how to view a learner's profile and what information it contains. To get started, go to the Manage Learners, Teams and Departments section and select the required learner from the list. The learner's profile will open. At the top, you'll see the learner's name and email address. A profile photo may also be displayed if the learner has added one into their profile. Below, you'll find the Learner Progress section. Here you can view the overall progress percentage, the number of courses and lessons available to the learner, as well as the number of certificates and badges they have received. Click on the arrow to expand the section and view detailed information about which awards the learner received and when. This section also shows the total time the learner has spent in the academy. The next section is Teams. Here you can see all the teams the learner has been added to. Click a team name to view more details in a separate tab, including which courses are assigned to the team and which learners has been added to it. If you need to add the learner to another team or change their team membership, click on the button Manage Team and Departments. From there, you can manage the learner's team directly from their profile, add them to the new teams, or remove them from existing one. Next, you'll find the list of properties and variables and their values associated with this learner. Using the Manage Properties button, you can manually assign a new variable to the learner or edit the existing variable values. Below, you'll see the learner's registration date, their country, and information about the device they use to access the academy. Their profile also includes the learner's login history, where you can find information about their previous logins to the system. Below, there are buttons that allow you to hide a learner from statistics, close their access to the academy, and manage their email notifications. There is also a separate section for the gift shop. Here you can view active orders, order history, and manage orders. In the points section, you can see the learner's current point balance. The activity history section shows how these points were earned or spent. On the right, you'll find the information about learners' courses and performance reviews. These are displayed are two separate activity streams where you can view the corresponding learning results. In the performance reviews stream, you can see the start and completion dates of each evaluation and open the detailed results in a separate tab. In the courses stream, you can expand a course to view detailed information about the learner progress. If the course including a quiz, click Open Results to see the learner's answer to the individual questions. If necessary, you can also delete statistics for a specific learner for this course. You can also export this particular learner's progress. To do this, click on the menu with three dots next to the learner's name and select the required report. You can export quiz progress, you can export course progress or learner variables. From the same menu, you can also edit the learner's name and email if you are the owner of the academy, or delete the learner from the academy. I hope that helped and good luck with your academy.